Be careful. Stop where all the people are stopping over there, okay? Okay, let's see. Side to side. Let's see if you can do it now. 1, 2, good job. 3, okay, now. Okay. Need you to stop here. Stop over here, okay? Because over here, as the two trails are crossing, there's a lot of people going, okay? So please be careful. Yes? Okay? Okay, go slow. And a little ice too. Bend your knees. Okay, stay to the right. Stay to the right, Adrian. Away, straight there. There, this way, this way, this way. Okay, slow down. You don't want to hit the fence. I think they're there. Hey, Adrian, Adrian. Where? Where? What?